We know life can get hectic, and with rising costs, it's easy to feel overwhelmed in the kitchen. We've read your comments and your emails, and we get it. That's why we want to help make mealtime a little bit easier. We're giving 10 people the chance to win a $1,000 grocery store gift card. To enter, we're going to ask what's in your fridge. Then we'll go away and create fun and easy meals using what you already have. But that's not all. We're so excited about this that we're going to triple the winnings and donate $30,000 to charities and food banks across America this holiday season. 3 in 4 Americans are worried about the cost of food for the holidays this year. And this is our way of raising awareness and making sure that you have what you need. All the details for how to enter are on inspiredtaste.net. We are so excited to get started, so tell your friends and thank you for being a part of our community.